I'm not going to say much more than this. But what I want us to know is that when I set foot at a particular place and I make commitments, all this media will be following me to find out if I've actually done what I said I would do. So I cannot stand here and make an announcement or announcements without somebody from either the Sunday Times, the Report, you name it. They love me, so they're going to look at what I do. So this is no elections announcements. I cannot afford to be populist. So I cannot no longer be a populist leader. When you are a leader with this responsibility, you no longer make promises, you meet deadlines. You issue deadlines. You issue instructions and you issue deadlines. And the best part of this program, the IPP office, please convey this to the IPP office, is that it was in budget. The private sector met deadlines, very strict deadlines, and they ensured the profitability of the projects. We now need to bring it to localization and ensure the profitability of these projects and the sustainability of these projects for the local communities. More than that, I would have failed you. I will not be able to come back to the Northern Cape because you're going to make it very difficult for me to come home. So now, whilst I have a home in the Northern Cape, there must be local content. Whilst I was born in the Northern Cape, I cannot erase the fact that I was born in Kimberley. I'll never be able to erase that. And I do not want to erase that. But as long as I am from the Northern Cape, you need leaders who are bold and courageous, with the correct integrity to take decisions with people and not on behalf of people.